Yep, this is a sort of live demo after the repairs that I've undertaken to get this amp back up and working. As you can see, it really needs some cosmetic restoration as well, particularly the grill where somebody put something through it. That speaker's been got three 10-inch speakers, ELAC speakers. That one's been reconed at the bottom, but that really needs some of this early VOX brown grill cloth, and the cabinet needs all cleaning up, and that should be a lot better then. But electrically speaking, it's all done at last. As I said before in the repair vids and that, this amplifier is in two sections really. You've got, it's not like a modern amplifier, but if you've got an effects panel, it's integrated as part of your main board. You just turn it on, you know, and you can do it like this one. It's separate. It's a little unit underneath the main amp, and if you want to go from, say, the normal clean channel, so to say, to use the vibrato that's built in, you have to physically unplug it and replug it in the vibrato down below, and turn the volume up on that one and turn it down. So it's not something you do mid-song or anything like this. You either decide beforehand, like back in the day, people used to, I mean, there's a video out there on YouTube. It's an Elvis Presley. I think it's a Return to Sender. That's, you know, that's a setting like there's a band on the stage and that, and he's singing. It's from the film actually, and you can hear the guitarist. He's got vibrato, and he's strumming away at once every fourth beat, I think. And that's set there like that. And this is the same sort of setup. You either use the vibrato or you use the clean channel. It's got no other effects. It's just, as this is a PMP, a germanium based amp from the early days. I haven't got it switched on at the moment, but I've got one of my delay pedal prototypes I've been doing, and also a Love Pedal Champ clone, which has been slightly modified, which I was tested last night. It works well with this amp. Like all these early amps, they were very dark sound, and they were not much in the way of trebles. For example, if I go, say, on position 2 on the Stratocaster, you can hear it's quite dark. So back in them days, you usually had to run it on the bridge pickup. But then that's what came along then was, in those early days, was things like the germanium based Dallas Rangemaster, which is the treble enhancer, and I've got a germanium Dallas Rangemaster clone I made just up there for testing. I tried it with this, and that's a germanium based one. This is a germanium amp. Together that lifts that treble out, makes it stronger, and also makes it a bit louder, because he's not very much louder really. They're rated, it's supposed to be 60 watts, but I suspect that's 60 watts peak and not 60 watts RMS. You're looking nearer 30 watts RMS in real terms. Yeah, so I'm just gonna, as you heard there, that's resist that bit of kinks. Anyway, that's the normal sound, and before we go to the vibrato, I'll just add a bit of delay or something, or maybe a bit of drive, and see where we go from there. So just a bit of delay. Yeah, so yeah, so I engaged the Love Pedal Champ clone, which I've got quite a lot of pedals I've made over the years, and last evening I was trying them all out, see which ones worked with this. And because with amps, guitars, they all differ, you know. Certain pedals work good with one amp or one guitar, not with another. So the only way you can really try one out is by sitting there and just trying as many as you can. Back to the line. Celluloid Heroes. Yeah, so right, max out the Love Pedal Champ. Right, we'll try to see a difference now. I think I'll probably change that to the buffers only on when the effect is on. Difference a buffer makes. Right, 2 inputs. And that's it. Yep, that's it. Bye.